Good morning. It is another 5 a.m. day. Let me show you. 5:21. It is literally the next day. Like yesterday, we went to Joshua Tree. My arm is still a little sore from trying to retrieve my hook, but I'll be fine. It's fine. Look at my shirt today. It is The Flash. My mom made it for me because I am in freaking love with The Flash. But today we're going to hike the Hollywood sign. Like hike up to the Hollywood sign. I don't even know what that's like, honestly. I just hear people be like, oh yeah, we hiked to the Hollywood sign, but I haven't done it before or seen it done. I don't know. I just don't know. I think my mom was looking up like different trails on it. I didn't even know that was a thing. I thought you just hiked up there and that was it. Apparently there are like miles and miles to go to hike up there, so I guess this will be an experience. I will be crocheting something new. I started crocheting a mohair sweater. I'm working on a pattern for it. Yes, I'm crocheting a mohair sweater, literally 2 strands of mohair, and it's gonna be like a vanilla color. I'm using vanilla and then white, and I'm mixing them together, and it produces this beautiful, beautiful tan vanilla-ish color. So I'll be working on that on this trip, and hopefully it comes out the way I want. Obviously, I'm not gonna finish anything in this vlog. Like, no, that's not gonna happen, but let's go on this trip. Alrighty guys, we have made it to the trails for the Hollywood sign with my mom. Hi. And we're about to figure out where we're gonna go to actually get up there, because apparently there are a bunch of trails. I just saw signs. I forgot to show you guys, but I'll show you this one that my sister and my dad are out.
There's a peace sign.
Whoa. Hollywood sign. Wait, that's not far. 2.3 miles. This trail right here reminds me of the Grand Canyon. I'm tired. Not really. My legs are just burning. Let's put my hair in a ponytail because no sir, not me. Look at this view. Like, this is such a perfect time to hike It's like 7 a.m. Yeah. And like, look at that thumbnail picture. Like, it's so nice. And it's so perfect because it's like overcast or foggy or whatever. Just like yesterday, it was a perfect day. We were all the way down there. It's so far away. Now we gotta go up and up some more. We still have to go all here and all the way. Maybe up here. I don't know. That's how much longer we have. Wait, I don't know which one it is, but yeah. Next sign, 0.7 or 0.3. I'll say 0.7 miles to the Hollywood sign. Let's get it. Look at this down there. What is that? Let me zoom in. I think those are, maybe those are mules.
Malika's over here like, look at the people.
Malika thought those were people.
Like,
But I think those are mules. Bro, we're so close. You could barely see it, but the sign is literally right there. Okay, you can see it as I zoom in. Right there. We're right here. We're trying to get there. Here is the next checkpoint. 0.4 miles to the Hollywood sign. Let's go. Hey, let's go. The sign is right there. We're gonna climb up some more. This looks like a stopping point, but I'm not stopping. I'm going up. There it is. I think we've gotten to the point where it's the only place we can really go. I can't even get a good... Oh, yeah, it's right there. Awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna sit and crochet, so. I'm gonna crochet right here. Whew, after hiking 2.3 miles before we go back down. It was pretty easy. I liked it. I could definitely do this often.
no. You're not even close. Kalila.
What?
You're not even touching the sign. No, Kalila. Like, it's all the way up there. No, you literally can't reach it.
I tried.
You're going to die laughing at this clip.
Working on my mohair sweater here. Oh, so excited. And that's Kahila in the back trying to get her clips. You can see her all in my clip while I'm crocheting, but it's okay. But yeah, this is the ribbing. I have like 50 more rows to go, which is a lot, but hopefully I can be done with it today because I'll be working on it all day. Well, maybe. Yeah, because I'll edit tomorrow. I'll edit yesterday's video and today's video tomorrow. Alrighty, I am probably gonna walk back down the mountain, the canyon. It's called a canyon, surprisingly, with my family. And yeah, Brush Canyon or something. Brush Canyon Trail. I know, but why call something a canyon if it's not a canyon? But yeah, I'm probably gonna go back down with my family and then gonna crochet somewhere else. And course I'll show you guys, but this has been a great trip so far. I'm really enjoying it. I'm loving the weather. Oh gosh, it's so great. Sun's out.
Oh, I got a
Look at that.
got a lot of footage of myself crocheted a bunch.
Time to hike back up. It's like 9 a.m. now. We've been out here for 2 hours.
We've been out her.
I said that.
You are so country.
We've been out here for 2 hours now.
Right.
So we're going back up. Or down. We're kind of going up right now, but we're going to go down. Back to our vehicle. This is what we have to go down now. If you guys remember at the beginning of the vlog, we were going up. Let me show you where we have to go. All the way down here and down there and more. So I'm happy about that. Whew, we have made it back to the vehicle. I am so tired. My shoulders hurt. I need to unclip my bag. Oh gosh. Oh, I'm ready to crochet some more. I'll crochet some more in the vehicle. End up this vlog when I get home.
All this turning.
Oh, well, what do we have here? guys, I have made it home. My hair probably looks crazy because literally the window was open and blowing. The wind was blowing. My arms are so sore, like my arm sockets. Oh gosh. But I did some crocheting in the vehicle. I finished my ribbing. Hallelujah. So now I'm starting on the back panel. And I'm looking at this, I'm like, woo, this is gonna take me forever, but it's okay because I'm not rushing it. Like, I'm not in a hurry to finish it, even though it's for a video, but doesn't matter. I don't need to have a finished project for a video. Like, I have to remember that, and I feel like a lot of crochet people need to remember, like, you don't have to have a finished product for a video, okay? Like, just film yourself crocheting, because that's what I want to watch. I don't care if it's finished. So that is it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said in the last one, let me know what other places you guys would think would be cool for my family and I, or my sisters and I, to go to and crochet at and just chill at, because this is fun, okay? Like, this is gonna be a little series. Remember to follow me on Instagram and go watch my sister's videos because they have vlogs of their point of views as well. Wait, I think the only one who will be out, whose video will be out, is Malika's own, Mr. Bobbins, but you know, still go check out Crochet with Kay's channel as well. Their links will always be down below in my description box, and I'll see you guys next time with another video. Bye.